Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can remove extension in Google Chrome. So when you go to the top corner to this three dots and you're gonna click extensions, here you can simply, like, I got every extension here, and what I can do is just simply like remove, hide likes, overall remove, yes, other, god damn, what the hell, none, and just submit, and I just remove it. Right now I got like unblock, and you can simply disable it or remove it, it's up to you, but this is how we do it. So, or you can like right click here and remove from Chrome. So thank you very much everybody, have a great day and goodbye.